pumasok po sila and yung kanyang narrative corroborates the statement of the living partner. So pumasok po sila around 11:30. Agad pong itong si Elias M.O. binaril ang victim po natin, American. Then ito po namang si Elias GF, yung the second one arrested. Dinala po sa kwarto, sa isang kwarto doon ang live-in partner where allegedly she was raped or sexually assaulted. Ito nga pong pangatlo ay acted as the lookout. So, all indicators as of this time point to the fact na this is just a home robbery gone wrong, di ba? Hindi po, but we're still looking at all angles, tinitignan po natin. But as of now, this points to the fact that this is not, the crime was not related or is not related to the occupation o yung trabaho po ng ating victim.